This is a young Monstera Obliqua that I propagated from a mother plant. Leafless stem cutting. We will show in the photo later on. Yes, I call the leafless stem of the Monstera Obliqua is not a runner, and a lot of people call it a runner. We're going to take a closer look at what is runner and what is not runner today. Believe it or not, this is 1 year old plant. When I was propagated from a cutting leafless stem, no. And this one is younger, have a younger age, and this one is Monstera ansonii variegated. The green form is about the same, it's just different with the variegation. You see the difference. This is very good example of what the true runner is. See the runner shoot above the ground. You see the runner shoot above the soil. Come out here. This one have root. Strawberry plants also does the same thing. If this would be on the soil, it will be new plants. It will be propagated to a new plant. This is a true runner. This one also called heavenly bamboo. See, that's from my neighbor, and it shoot runner over my yard. See all this runner. This runner is growing underneath of the soil. The grass type of runner, the grass family like true bamboo, also have a runner that run underneath of the soil. This vine is Monstera ansonii. You see it grown. That's sunlight on the other side, and it grow on this side where it doesn't receive any much of the sunlight, and it start to produce a leafless stem grow. And then it's grow back to that directly sunlight where it receive more sun, more light, receive more light, and it start to produce leaf. Plant is not Monstera, but it does have a row where it produce a leafless stem. Situation where the same situation where its stem doesn't receive enough sunlight on this direction. You see that direction have a lot of light, and it start to produce leafless stem grow all the way inside, and then it start to produce more, start to produce leaf when it reach to the section where you see the sunlight there, and it start to produce leaf. Plant Monstera ansonii there, it doesn't receive a good amount of sunlight, so it will produce a leafless stem. Let me take it out and we take a look. In front of us is a Monstera ansonii. You see it start to produce a leafless stem grow. when it doesn't receive enough sunlight. So why this one people don't call it runner, but the Monstera, Obliqua, people call the leafless stem a runner? Why is that? Well, why it's important to understand what a true runner and not a runner? Because when you understand the plant growth, type of leafless stem is not a runner, where the plant is telling you that it doesn't happy where it is, and it grow out this type of leafless stem in search for the right location where it's set, where it get enough sunlight. It reset more leaf to produce food for its growth structure, and make the right decision where we could put the plants at the right location, the right environment for it to be happy and growing healthy. Happy planting to you all. Until next time, take care for now. Next time we will look at a different topic.